In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Discord account in Arc Raiders. If you've linked your Discord and want to disconnect it, maybe you're switching accounts, troubleshooting a connection issue, or just tightening up your privacy, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish in a clear, simple way. First, make sure you're in Speranza. This is the main hub area you land in after loading into Arc Raiders, where you access vendors, social features, and the game's menus. You don't need to jump into a match or a queue. Stay right in this hub so the menus are available and responsive. From Speranza, look to the bottom right corner of your screen for the gear icon. That's the settings button. Click it to open the game's settings. When the menu appears, you'll land directly on the gameplay tab by default, which is exactly where you need to be. Within the gameplay tab, look for the online section. Depending on your display and resolution, you might need to glance a bit down the list, but it should be clearly labeled. If your Discord account is currently linked, you'll see an Unlink Discord button in this section. If you don't see that option, two things are likely. Either your Discord isn't linked on this profile, or you're not on the Gameplay tab. Double-check the tab at the top, and if the button still isn't there, it probably means there's nothing to unlink. When you're ready, click Unlink Discord. In some cases, you may get a quick confirmation prompt. This is just the game making sure you want to proceed. Confirm, and then give it a moment. The process usually takes only a few seconds, but it can depend on your connection. Avoid backing out of the menu or closing the game during this step. A brief spinner or pause is normal as the game updates your account status. Once the unlink finishes, you should see the button change state, often to an option that lets you link Discord again in the future. Features that rely on the Discord link will also stop showing as active. If the interface still looks unchanged or you're not seeing the update, go ahead and restart the game. A quick restart helps the change fully register and clears out any cached account info. That's all there is to it. Open settings from Speranza, stay on the Gameplay tab, use the Unlink Discord button under Online, and restart if necessary. You can always relink later from the same place if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get things set up exactly the way you want.